Hey guys, so I am doing a pink kind of diva background for a pet portrait. That was what was asked of me. She wanted a nice pink diva background. So we are starting with the white base. We have some magenta, hopefully you can see that, some nice bright neon pink, some bubblegum pink, rose pink is what it's called, and some gold. And I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. I think I'm just going to go right across here. Finish up with the gold. All right. Just gonna line it. All right. I want it to blow out, so let's see. I actually really like it. turned out really good. Let's see how it dries. Got some nice cells here. The center I'm not a really big fan of, but the dog's head is gonna go right there. So all of this looks nice. Alright. I'll see you whenever it's nice and dry. Bye. Alright guys, here is the final look at my pink Diva. It's got this nice gold flash. I honestly really like it. I'm kind of sad that it's going to be covered up with a pet portrait, but I think it will make a really nice background. If you guys are interested, I am going to make some prints for it. Yeah, so not sure how the gold is going to pop up. I might have to add some gold accent on the prints, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm still learning. Hopefully, if you guys are interested, I will be posting my Etsy shop here pretty soon, where I will be selling prints of my works, some stickers, and some jewelry. So, if you're interested, make sure you go check that out. I will post it as soon as I get it up and running. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye!